Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa kotse. Papunta tayo sa LTO. Alam niyo ba kung ano ibig sabihin ng LTO? Land Transportation Office. Panahon na kasi para mag-renew ng car registration. Actually, kotse ni Ria to eh. Dahil ending 2, alam niyo naman pag 2, February. So that's this month. Tapos yung middle number will determine kung anong week dapat um, i-renew. But dapat next week pa, pero wala naman akong gagawin, so might as well do it now para hindi na ako nagagahol next week. Dapat ganoon, di ba? Para what you can do today, wag nyo nang ipagpabukas kasi meron tayong ugali minsan, bukas na, nakakatamad. Pwede naman yan next week pa yan, pwede na yun. And kung pwede nyo naman gawin ngayon, may oras kayo at may resources naman kayo, ibig sabihin may pang nasa budget nyo na, nakalaan na yon, gawin nyo na ngayon para next week, di ba? Wala ka nang iisipin ganun. So pag dating natin doon, I'll try to give you a step by step procedure kung paano mag-renew ng car registration para dun sa mga bagets na may bagong kotse or kakakuha lang ng kotse. Sana matutunan nyo or makatulong tong video na to. So, I'll be right back. Okay, ito na nga. So, magre-renew nga kami. Kasama ko si... Teka, pakita kita, Jabar. Kaibigan ko si Jabar. Malapit dito sa Pituason. Nandito kami sa... Christoph Emission. Kung magpapa-emission kayo dito sa may Pituason, dito na lang ha. Kasi hindi nila ako pinagbayad eh. Hindi, joke lang. Magbabayad. Magkano ba emission, idol?
500 po, 4-wheel.
Ha? 500 daw pag 4-wheel. Pag motor, 400. Pag truck, 600. Buti na lang, motor tong dala ko. Kotse tong dala ko. Yun ang step 1 pag nagpa-renew ka ng rehistro. Papa-emission ka muna. Dapat pumasa ka. Kung hindi ka mapaparehistro. So, hintayin to natin. Papakita ko kung paano nila gagawin. Ito yung makina. Saan na ba? Ayun. Yan o. Yun. Yun ang gagamitin para mag-emission na may kakabit na. So, standby. Babalik tayo. O, ito pag motor ang i-emission, kakabit mo na yung emission. Tapos kakabit yun sa tambucho. Ano rin. Thank you. Next na gagawin is stencil yung sasakyan. Stencil meaning kukunin yung number ng motor at saka ng chassis. Motor of course yung engine, yung chassis yung body. Kailangan kasi nila yan to verify kung na-tamper yung number ng chassis at saka ng engine. Make sure na hindi siya carnap. So medyo kailangan hanapin kung saan yung lugar nung number. Yeah.
1 hour later.
Okay, we're back. After nung stencil mga kaibigan, ang susunod yung gagawin, kumuha ng insurance. Excuse me. Ito tip. Kung meron din lang naman kayong time kumuha ng insurance sa labas, TPL lang, or what we call the third party liability insurance, which is a requirement of LTO para makapag-register. Or kung gusto niyo namang comprehensive yung insurance niyo for your vehicle, why not, diba? Mas maganda yun para covered lahat ng mga incidents like carnapping and all other stuff which involves your car. It's better to get it outside kung may kilala kayong insurance company, or you can go to your own personal insurance company and get your TPL from them. Kasi pag dito kayo sa around LTO, of course may mga nagbebenta ng mga insurance dyan. kagaya na nangyari sa akin, wala na akong time. So, I had to get my insurance from them. Medyo mas mahal, syempre, dahil yung premium on the day, right there on the spot. So, medyo mapapamahal kayo ng konti. So, if you have time to get your insurance before you go and have your car registered or renewed, do it. So, hindi ko na nakunan yung pagkuha ng insurance dahil medyo maraming tao dun sa loob ng office. After you get your insurance, isasubmit nyo na po sa LTO office, which is also alanganin pong kumuha ng video doon dahil syempre it's a government office. Kaya naman po marami rin tao na wala naman tayong way pagpaalam na kukunan natin yung paligid. Ipipila po nyo yung papel nyo, of course i-inspect yung sasakyan. If it passes the quality check, ika nga, kung okay yung mga lights, mga ganito, yung condition ng kotse, kung if it's roadworthy and all that. After which, you just have to pay the fee. In my case, kasi medyo it's a small car, dahil depende yun dun sa weight ng sasakyan ninyo. I'm paying about 1,800 plus for the car. So in total, you will be spending for emission, number one is 500, insurance, yung nga yung sinabi ko kanina dito, I was set back by 900 pesos, and of course the LTO fee of 1,832 pesos if I'm not mistaken. So yun po ang total ng nagastos ko today. Syempre may konting tip para dun sa mga nag-stencil and all that, but which is very minimal and saves you the trouble from getting your hands dirty. All in all, natapos yung procedure in about syempre minsan depende sa dami ng tao on a particular day, but I was a bit lucky today, so about an hour 15 minutes natapos ko yung procedure. So I hope it's I was able to give an insight kung paano po mag-renew ng car registration, and hope it helps you when you go get your car renewed. Again, yung pinaka-importanting tip, get your insurance outside before you come para hindi kayo magastusan ng extra. So we'll see you again in my next vlog. Marami pong salamat.